Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning and welcome to debate on assessing of effectiveness of election, balancing candidates' interest and the purity of representation for the people. Today we will hear argument from three speakers in favor and three speakers against. Let's begin with the first row speaker.
Okay, thank you for moderator. The effectiveness of election should be measured by the victory of candidates, such as victory reflect the majority will and provide the necessary legitimacy for a strong and sustainable government.
Thank you. Now we will hear argument from the first speaker again.
Okay, thank you. While victory is crucial, we must not overlook the quality of representation. An effective election should ensure that every vote counts and every societal group is represented fairly without any manipulation.
Proceed. The second row speaker.
Candidate victories also reflect the success of effective campaigning and widespread support from the public. It demonstrates that candidates can interpret the aspiration of the people effectively.
Next, we will hear argument from the second speaker again.
However, too much contradictory remains led illusory groups. An effective election should give every citizen a voice, regardless of the size of their group.
Thank you. The third row speaker. Please present your argument.
An effective election provides certainty and practical stability, clear victory schedules, uncertainty, and allows the government to focus on policy implementation.
Now we will hear the final argument from the third speaker again.
That overly emphasizing victories can compromise the integrity of the election. We need to ensure that the entire election process is fair and free from manipulation.
Thank you for the engaging discussion. To further explore the explicities of assessing the effectiveness of elections, let's hear from two more speakers. One in favor and one against. Please proceed, pro speaker.
An effectiveness election system enhances political accountability. The clear outcome allows citizens to hold elect officials responsible for their action, for fostering the transparency and responsiveness in government.
Insightful perspective. Now we will hear from our additional speaker against the effectiveness of election.
Okay, however, the focus on victories might lead to a short-term approach by candidates, prioritizing popular dedication over long-term sustainable policies. An ideal election should encourage leaders to consider both immediate and future implications of their action.
Thank you for our final round of argument. Let's hear from one more pro speaker.
The effectiveness of an election lies in its ability to reflect the evolving needs of society. Victorious candidates often align with changed public sentiments, ensuring that governance remains adaptive and responsive.
Great point. To wrap up our debate, let's hear from one more speaker against the effectiveness of election.
That engenders reason overlooking the norms is within society. Emphasizing victories may offer simplifying the first perspective, hindering the norms representation need for comprehensive policy and thinking.
Thank you for the very engaging discussion. Now let's break up the argument with conclusion from what side.
From the broad perspective, the event of election can be measured by the victories of candidates that reflect the majority will. Such victories provide crucial legitimacy for a strong government. Additionally, clear outcomes can reduce uncertainty and allow to focus on policy implementation. Through effective election, the public can ensure political accountability and a responsive government.
On the contrary side, an excessive emphasis on victories can compromise the quality of representation. Effective elections should not only measure victories but also ensure that every vote is counted and every societal group is fairly represented. The risk of being too victory focused may also sideline minority groups. Moreover, it is crucial to ensure the integrity of the entire election process to prevent manipulation or impeachment.
In addition to the pro-arguments, we see that an effective election system can enhance political accountability. Clear outcomes empower citizens to demand accountability from elected officials, fostering transparency and responsiveness in governance.
Meanwhile, additional one argument emphasizes that an overemphasis on victories may lead to a short-term approach, risking the sustainability of long-term policies. It is important for elections to encourage leaders to consider both immediate and future implications of their action.
Thus, we observe the assessing the effectiveness of election involves a range of complexities, and there is a trade-off between candidates' interest and the purity of presentation. Thanks to all the speakers for their insight and contribution to today's debate. The diverse perspectives have provided more comprehensive picture of the challenge and consideration in evaluating the effectiveness of election. Until the next debate opportunity, thank you everyone.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.